I'll get on that. Gone but not forgotten.
My best to tell you how I feel, and I wanna show you what I have is real, but I just can't figure out what you want me to do. How do I get to you? Show you my love is true. Give me all your love. Tell me what you're so afraid of. I'll give you all my time. Girl, you're always on my mind. I'll give you all my love, but get nothing in return. I wanna tell you so much, but I just can't find the words. Now my heart is breaking slowly, but I guess it's what I deserve. I don't wanna play these silly games with you no more. Give me
So good. Lavender has been so temperamental. So that will be like the main influence of the fantasy stuff.
So do you want to get an aesthetic?
Oh, amazing. Oh, damn. Oh my god. We're just gonna. Good morning, everyone. What was I gonna go and say? So when I originally was planning out these videos, I was gonna do like week 10 and week 11 separately. Unfortunately, week 11, so last week, it was beautiful weather. It was stunning, but I was very, very ill. So I didn't film anything for week 11. And now technically we are on week 12. However, I've made the executive decision to just repeat week 11 this week, as I'm going home next week for a week just to house sit for a neighbour, and I feel like that'll be a really nice time to just sort of reflect and do week 12 stuff. I'm gonna go work out now. It's really grey, classic early July weather where it's sunny like, what the fuck? What's this summer weather? Which is a shame because it was really beautiful last week. But yeah, I'm gonna go get up and get ready for the day.